This is basically the prep. Welcome back to Reincarnated. Today we got these, what year this is? What year is this? Believe it or not, these are the stink. 2021 Cool Grade. The customer that brought these in, he actually walked through Germany for a month straight in them. And you can tell he did not spare a soul. You brought him to the right person. Get that boy right. What we gonna need? Soap. Shit, I didn't want to foam up. Water, dry towel, and a mat. That's all we need for this. Oh, shoe trees. Never clean out the shoe trees. Let's get started. Hey, y'all know I lie, right? Need some brushes. Hard, soft, medium. Most important to me is the medium. You need a medium. Medium is all purpose. This sole yellow, so before we put the icing on the cake, gotta clean it with the hard, the heavy. These are nubuck, gotta hit it with the soft. Gotta hit the, come on now. Let's be realistic. Pay attention. These reek. Ew, brown shoestrings. Boy, ain't spare nothing out there in Germany, you hear me? Black tongue, how you get your tongue black? Crazy. Crazy! And it's a 21. How is this a 21? Don't make no sense. This is basically the prep. Now this is the part that put some music on or something. And or maybe a YouTube video. Fast forward for y'all, so yeah. You see that? Nice and clean, baby. So you can get a comparison. Of course, one is wet right now, one is not. But you see the difference. Clean, dirty, clean. I'm gonna have to let these boys dry tonight. God. Back to the fast forward. Boom, nice and clean. Might have one stain there, that's not coming out. I'll try another trick on that, but now, throw the shoestrings in the washing machine with the insoles, let these dry overnight, and come back to ice the soles. Wasn't a good condition, I know. They dry, now it's time to get to this. If I can find like this, you gotta get this. If not, you're gonna be spraying with your finger. Now, a lot of people like to take this part off, this section, the pod with the on it. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna paint around it. If something get on there, oh well, it's not that deep. We going for the look, bro. Nobody's hooping in Cool Grade 11s, bro. It's 2023. Go buy you some fucking Kyries, KDs, Bang Rants, bro. Go buy one of them if you want a hoop shoe, bro. Don't hoop in O. That's crazy. These are pinky toe killers, for real. So, this don't have to be neat either, man. Just to tell you, because I used to watch these videos and be like, bro, they're so neat, they're so perfect, they do it. Oh, I didn't say it like that, of course. But I used to be like, man, they do that shit so perfect. Bro, stop it. It be for the camera. That's it. Get my little top off. What I like to do, so I don't pour too much, pour it in the cap, baby. Yes, sir. Pour it in the cap. Then you just go to work. Make it easy, bro. This is not nothing that should be too hard. It's just tedious. So, of course, take your time when you first starting out doing stuff like this. Take your time. I'm a little heavy-handed with it because in my head, I feel like that works better, but I was told that it doesn't. So, you can be the judge. All right. After you finish, take it. What I like to do is pull both sides up and then just turn it, twist that boy. That way, when the fan's in the box, cause I got a cool box, not a cool box, ice box over there. That way when I put them in the ice box, the fans don't mess it up, see? This is so dry out, the sauce doesn't dry out. The sauce I'm using today, I use different sauces. I'm using that Angelus, it's not fucking, it doesn't matter which one I use, bro. Figure it out. Do it again! That would've been crazy if I wasn't recording. Now, I got a stain right here. I got a stain right here. You can always do this. Put some of that, put sauce on the stains. If it's white, test your look, it might come out. I've done it before. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. But if you don't try, you'll never know. Now, of course, you gotta wash the soles again after this. Probably do that off camera. Make sure you wash the soles real thoroughly because you will lose traction. I'll probably fast forward through all of this shit. I'm definitely gonna fast forward through all this shit. And I'll just talk over it. Boom, cap back on, because we don't wanna knock this over. Yeah. A few days, I'm gonna pull these out. And I promise I have a different shirt on, bro. I promise. It's not the same shirt, but it'll be a noticeably different shirt. 5 days later, man, that's where they tapped at. I think they're pretty good. Like DS, like Dead Stock, we are back. Like new. You can tell. You can't tell. And that's it for these 2021 Cool Gray 11s. And I'm sorry if this feels rushed. I don't have a serious note for today because I got a boo-boo. So, holla.